Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting Evtx file into SQL scripts. And on my computer you can see I have Evtx file. I can double click on it to open into Evtx viewer. It's a free app. It's showing me what is inside of Evtx, and it's about 3000 records containing event information about events. And also I can export in this viewer into different format if I want to. But basically I will be converting this file into SQL script with the application I will download from website. Also I can open it with Classic. I will leave link on this Evtx viewer. It's a free app. It's just very fast on showing what is inside. I can open it with Windows viewer, which is kind of slow, and yeah, takes time every time to load on every file, and it places it into weird like saved log things. So first of all I will download I will leave link on this Evtx viewer if you'd like to try. It's a free app. To download app for converting Evtx to SQL, I will go to this website. I will leave link on the website into description. To find app, I click on search and type Evtx, and I click on Evtx page, and then I click on Evtx to SQL link and click on download button to SQL line it. And wait until archive will be downloaded on my local computer. I will be recording more videos on Evtx, different Evtx converter to different formats, to Excel, CSV, text, JSON, so SQLite. If you are interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, we are waiting for our archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud. Sometimes Google Cloud gives this message, and this is because Google Cloud always checking outgoing files, files that it's releasing to customers on all possible threads. So it took a little time to download it, but it's checking it through, and it's good to know that every time I'm receiving file it's safe and there is nothing wrong in it. So you can see Evtx To Sql has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher. With Microsoft you can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen, and you can see I have Evtx To Sql installed on my computer, and I can close this and this and this, and double click on Evtx To Sql to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we will select input file I'd like to convert. I can select many files if I want to have them into one SQL script, but I will select just one because one file is good enough for test, and I click on next step. Here I can add ID field. And what is ID field? ID field for in SQL databases, it's nice to have. It's because scripts that gonna be created contains table definition, including all fields in Evtx format, and extra field is ID field that keep integrity of entire data. It's nice to have, so I'm usually adding it. And here I have to I can select database type, because the SQL language could be different regarding if it's SQL Server, it says MySQL, it is SQLite, so let's keep it as SQL Server. Click on next step, and here I can preview my SQL. Click on preview, and you can see it create table. It will use file name as name of the table, so if file was evt test, it will create table evt test, and you can see it has evt id primary keys. This is why I checked this thing. So here it's defining all fields, and here is inserting data into fields. So all 3000 records will be inserted with a SQL script. So I click, it's saying like too big for preview, click on save, save results, and it's asking me for name location of the file. This name location is okay, click save, and it says file has been saved. Let's go and see file. So I can open it with a notepad just to show you what is inside, and inside you can see on top there is a creating table and then inserting data. And you can see it's adding all data and it will add all 3000 records in it, right? 3000. Yeah, and it's adding this break because for SQL you have to have a break after 1000 records. You cannot insert more than 1000 in a bulk. So after every 1000 it will go and add break. And yeah, you can see all data is in here, and we add our SQL file, and I can send it to my database administrator. I can run it by myself on SQL and to create file and insert all events into this SQL table. Also this I can run this application from command line if I want to create a SQL file from command line. Let me show you. There is on this page, on the same page I've downloaded. If I click on To Sql, right, at the bottom there is a here is command line, how to use it within command line. If I don't want to have if I want to have it scheduled to run some Evtx on Evtx file, and then for example create me SQL and then run this SQL into database automatically, I can do that by running this command line, right? Or if I want, for example, convert all Evtx files into SQL and run them, and in current folder I can do that. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.